I'm certified meteorologist Katie Walls. One question that we always answer here in the Fox 4 Weather Center is why? Why are we dealing with so much rainfall during the dry season? This should be the driest time of the year. Instead, it's the total opposite. We're currently recuperating all of that rainfall that we should have had during the rainy season. The reason being El Nino. And here's what that means for us. Basically, in an El Nino weather pattern, our subtropical jet, which is that green arrow right there, it's a bit farther toward the south. It's also a bit stronger. Now, this is our storm track. So storms that would typically track farther toward our north and wouldn't affect us are now tracking right over us. That's why we are currently seeing anywhere from 2 to 3 cold fronts a week. And with each of those cold fronts, we tend to see at least 2 days worth of rainfall. So here's kind of a breakdown of the effects of El Nino here on Southwest Florida. Not only do we see more storm systems, it also means that we tend to see more severe weather events. This is the time of year, especially during an El Nino phase, that you want to make sure that you do stay weather aware and you stay vigilant every time we're tracking a cold front coming through. Now, the last strong El Nino that we had, that was the winter of 2015 into 2016. As a matter of fact, January 2016 still holds the record for the wettest January ever recorded here in Southwest Florida, going back decades. So how is this January shaping up comparatively? So first off, on the right-hand side, I have the normal rainfall up until this point of January. And then I have the surplus that we currently have so far. Fort Myers, we're in surplus for the month by nearly 3.5 inches. Punta Gorda over 2.5 inches extra in the rain gauge. And LaBelle, we have now picked up over 3 extra inches this month on top of what is typical. But how does that compare to 2016? Again, the record wettest January here in Southwest Florida. Well, first off, it's only halfway through January, so we still have another 2 weeks left to go. That means those numbers will continue to climb, but as of now, not quite in the territory of that record-setting 2016 season. Take a look at this. Punta Gorda had nearly 10 inches in the rain gauge during January of 2016. Fort Myers nearly 13 inches. LaBelle nearly 11, as well as Moorhaven. And in Naples, we picked up nearly a foot in the rain gauge. That on top of several severe weather events. And with another 2 weeks left of January to go, it does look like it will go down as one of the wetter months here in Southwest Florida.